Hello boys, what's up? Today our guest is a tactical seat organizer by SkullVibe. I have already placed it inside my car back to the front seat so that you could have an idea as to how it looks on your car. Let's begin. And there are some Molle pouches like this one and this one, and this is another type of pouch they are sending. Basically, these attachments help you place the Molle pouch here on the panel so that you can organize your car as you would like it to be. This is the pouch, and it is mostly used for medical purposes. I'm currently storing my masks inside it. Let me open it for you. Yeah, my masks, too many. Apart from that, this is the second pouch they sent to you, and I am currently placing my tactical knife and some extra batteries inside it. You can need them anytime. And this is the third pouch they are sending. In fact, this one is my favorite pouch. It also features the Velcro panel on it so that you can put some patches directly on your Molle pouch. And I decided not to place it on the panel but to carry it with me. I'm putting my cell phone and wallet and car keys inside this one, so this is my favorite. I'm carrying it with me all the time. And thanks to these Molle attachments, you can simply place these packs on any of your backpacks or whatever pack you have. You can simply attach them directly through this so that you can get some extra space when you need to carry something with you. And there are also some packs here, additional packs, so you have extra room. I'm carrying some extra paracord with me in my car, and I'm using this one here to put my eyeglass case. The panel also features some Velcro piece here, and I'm placing some flags and some Spartan patches here. They look good, especially the flags. And finally, my sunglasses and my tactical flashlight, some carabines, and my L19 hunting flashlight. They are also on the panel currently. The panel also has some extra room on here and here in the middle. And this one here I'm using to place my gloves. This is a universal panel, so you can simply remove it from here, and there is also one attachment here under the panel You can simply remove it directly and place it on any car you would like to place. It just takes 1 minute or something. Just wanting to show you another combination of how you can use the panel. I have replaced my long-range tactical flashlight and I have placed my standard tactical flashlight. I have added another patch and replaced the place of the flag patch on the Velcro, and I have placed this, my favorite Molle pouch, on the panel just to show you, and this has not changed and the rest is the same. Guys, simply what I'm trying to say is that there is no end to how you can combine this, because it's like a blank page and you can make any combination you want with it. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this review, and please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Have a good day.